What is going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. Sorry it's a bit late, just been real busy this week, so didn't have a chance to get anything done the last couple days. But yeah, this week's video is going to be about cleaning up all this junk hardware, seeing what I can salvage and keep, and get re-zinced and coated. Okay, I just wanted to get kind of a closer look at some of this stuff. You can see like a lot of it's just got rust caked on it and some paint and stuff like that and oil, and they just look like crap. So I'm going to try to throw them in the media blaster real quick and see if I can get this stuff off of them. Okay, so just finished up blasting these, and kind of not really happy with how long it took to blast these couple of items. I just did about 4 of these, and it didn't really. I mean, it took stuff off, but it's just kind of a pain in the butt, honestly, to try to hold on to these with these gloves and try to get the media to come out and hit it just right and everything. So I'm kind of thinking of another idea. I'm going to try to soak it in white vinegar and see what that does. Okay, so it's been almost 24 hours. Let's go ahead and check this out and see how we're looking here with the white vinegar. So, and not what I was hoping to see, but pretty much what I was expecting. So so obviously plan A, media blaster. Just not doing an easy job of stripping all this stuff off, taking forever to fill the tanks back up all the time. And of course, plan B was the white vinegar. That didn't really work out too well. Maybe if I let it sit in there for a month, it might do something. So I went ahead and went to Harbor Freight, and I'm going to try plan C, and we'll see how that works out. The box here. Yeah, looks like it's just a pretty simple little setup, so I'm going to go ahead and read the directions and figure out how to get this thing working. Okay, so the directions say pretty much fill this 2/3 full and then put all the stuff in, so I'm going to go ahead and fill it up. Okay, here's a little before for all of these. So I mean, some of these are pretty nasty, so hopefully when they get done they'll be I don't really care if they're shiny or anything like that, because they're gonna get taken over to get re-zinced. I just need all the rust off of them. Okay, here we go. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes. I just wanted to open it up real quick and see if it was making any kind of difference, and it looks like it's did a pretty good job so far. Like, some of these are looking like they're starting to clean up pretty good. So I think I'm gonna add a little bit more stuff in and just let it go for a while. All right, that's been in there for about 6 or 7 hours, so I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's what everything looks like now out of there. That was about 6-7 hours or so, whatever, of being in the machine, and did a great job. It obviously took a lot longer than doing it in the media blaster, but at the same time the media blaster wasn't cutting it, so all the wear and tear, on the compressors and all that kind of stuff, and on the gloves, just holding those tiny little pieces, I feel like this is a win. So I'm not really gonna worry about cleaning all these up. They got some kind of a little bit of a powdery residue on them. They're going to clean them whenever I take them to go get them re-zinced. So these couple right here didn't get cleaned up quite as good as I want them, so I'll probably run them again for a little while. But the rest of these seem like they turned out great. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short. It's taken me actually more than a couple of days. It's taken me like over a week to get all this done. So I want to go ahead and cut this video short and into here, and then Next video that I'm going to film this weekend and upload this weekend, that'll be more geared towards doing some more stuff to the GT-R and everything. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.